All right, so on our CO2 Dragster project here, after reviewing part 1 and part 2, we're moving on to part 3, which is AutoCAD. You're going to use this template and follow the YouTube tutorial below to design your Dragster. So this is the first video in that tutorial. The Dragster design, download this template. If you want to right-click on it, and I'd recommend using a mouse, you can save it as, or you can double-click on it, or you can click this arrow here, and it should download in your lower left here. And you can see mine's popping up here with an update to Google Chrome, which goes to my downloads over here on my left side of my screen. Okay, once it's open up here, you're going to be drawing in this purple area here. If I zoom in on here, you can see all these little hash marks here, these little dashed lines. Those represent hidden lines, and they will not print. This line here is going to be for your wheels or your axles. And we're going to start, we'll actually start drawing our dragster shape. So we have layers over here. You can see all these different layers. And we're going to start with our dragster shape, and it should generically pop up like that for you. And I'm going to use what's called the Spline tool, and that's up here in the upper left here. You can also type in Spline, S-P-L-I-N-E, and hit Enter or space. And then simply here, I'm going to start with my down here between this line and this line. This is where the front of your car needs to be. And I'm going to start drawing out kind of what I want my car to look like. And this is really easy if you're using a mouse. Again, I highly, highly recommend that you use a mouse. And I'm just going to come back here and right there to the edge and then hit spacebar to close that command here. And if I don't like what that looks like here, I can actually right click, I can move that vertex around here after I close it out because I don't like how that looks. But fool around with that tool, take some time here to draw that spline out. And use the Spline tool for that again, the Spline, S-P-L-I-N-E. That is the end of this first video.